Well, hospitals across the Midlands are beginning to reach capacity as coronavirus cases continue to surge. You can see this chart beside me. Since the late June now, those cases have steadily been increasing. At the Lexington Medical Center, they say their ICU beds are nearly full as more and more patients require serious care. News 19's Eleanor Tabone tells us more.
We're seeing really sick patients. We're seeing young patients that seem otherwise healthy come in and are super sick and are not getting better quickly.
A statewide surge has health experts fearing cases and hospitalisations could break records set last year for COVID.
It's actually pretty terrifying the way our numbers have exponentially multiplied over these past few weeks. It seems like we're doubling our COVID numbers every week.
Dr. Leah Clanton at Lexington Medical Centre says the increase in COVID-19 patients is concerning.
If we continue at this pace, we may even exceed the peak that we were at about a year ago.
According to Lexington Medical Centre, a month ago, there were 5 COVID patients in the hospital. Today, there's 92. 93% of those patients are unvaccinated.
Our ICU is busting at the seams, and we have very few beds available because of the severity of cases that we have in the hospital.
DHEC data shows 729 South Carolinians were hospitalised with COVID-19 this week. 196 of those ended up in ICU. 87 of those are now on ventilators.
Patients will come in on requiring a couple liters of oxygen, and by the next day they're on a high flow rate of oxygen, and by the next day they may be on a ventilator.
Dr. Clanton told me in the space of just 40 minutes today, 4 new COVID patients were admitted to the hospital.
We are near capacity.
Her best recommendation, get the vaccine.
The risks with vaccination are very low and the side effects are rare.
In Lexington County, Eleanor Tabone, News 19 WLTX.
Well, tonight, health experts urge unvaccinated people to go ahead and get the shot. The CDC says vaccinated people should also wear a mask indoors. People are also being asked to continue to practice social distancing and to wash their hands on a regular basis.